welcome back to Afternoon Live. Well, ready for breakfast, for dinner. I'm ready for a late afternoon snack and breakfast. So here to show how to make his rustic strawberry French toast, we welcome back the author of Trading Dishes. Stephen Ferneding is with me. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
And even better to see this.
Wow,
it is beautiful.
Thanks.
That is a treat right there. And pretty easy to do.
Very easy.
So it's your strawberry rustic French toast.
Right.
Oh wow, okay.
And this is actually perfect for breakfast or dessert or dinner too.
Right,
So it's really
you name it.
kind of
Have this
all around.
anytime.
Yeah.
I love it. And the great thing about breakfast for dinner is it is so simple.
Yeah.
Most breakfast dishes are pretty easy to get together. And when you get home from work or after a long day, it's just easy. And kids love it too.
And you can prep ahead of time too.
Exactly, that's true.
Can't go wrong.
So what do we have going on?
Okay,
This is a different type of bread.
This
I'm
is,
noticing.
yeah. So what's great about this recipe is you can use kind of any kind of thick cut bread. So you know, you cranberries and walnuts or anything like that. So this is actually a Hawaiian bread.
Okay.
It's just thick cut. And it's perfect for this.
And sweet too. That Hawaiian bread's super sweet. You were able to buy it just at the grocery store, this thick cut. Cause I've seen the rolls.
Right. Yeah.
And everything, but no.
Comes in a loaf.
Okay, big loaf. Again, do you like to look for the thick bread with any French toast?
I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it just kind of gives it a little more crunch to it.
Right. True. More flavor. Yeah.
Exactly.
Soak it all in.
Yeah. So what we want to do first is we're going to crack our eggs in this
Okay.
nice little pan.
Okay.
There
I
we go.
love this pan
Isn't
because
that
I have to pull out my little like glass to go dishes and stuff whenever I make French toast because you want them to be smaller. Bowls don't quite work. You need the flat surface. This is a great one.
Absolutely. And then when you're dipping the bread, it's you know, not all.
You don't waste a ton of eggs.
So
Yeah.
if you, add this is
Sure.
half and half cream.
Oh, half and half. So why not milk? Why
So
not
this
whole?
just gives it it's not as thick and you kind of just want a nice little light coating on it.
Okay.
So that half and half is perfect for this dish.
Great.
So I'll just give it a little whisk here. And then this is the fun part.
Yeah. This is where we get our fingers dirty.
Oh, I'll do it for you.
That's great.
So yeah, just dip it on either side.
Okay.
And then you want to let it drain off just slightly.
So you're not flavoring this any more than just that egg and the milk.
Everything,
Half.
everything else is going to be flavored. That's the sizzle you want right there.
Okay,
So
you want to
add
hear
in-
that.
Yeah, so that's about a tablespoon of butter in there.
Okay.
You could do multiple slices as well.
Yeah.
And then, so while that's cooking, you want to take your walnuts, and these are raw walnuts, and so you want to just toss them in your pan, and you can just dry roast those. For
Okay.
a few minutes, and-
Yeah, there's no oil or anything in there.
Right, yeah.
Okay, just
And
let them
you
toast.
can also do it in the oven too, for about 10
easy.
minutes, 350 degrees, and then they come out perfect.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So that'll be like our topping.
And probably pecans or anything, really.
Yeah,
That's what you
absolutely.
like.
Yeah. This is just for this style, you know. You
Yeah.
can do
Oh, I'll
this
take it.
and-
Amazing.
So and then you want to just look underneath here. Yeah. So what you're looking for is you want it to be slightly brown.
Okay.
And then, so it just takes a few seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long at all.
No.
Do you ever worry that the middle's going to be soggy? I mean, I notice that you dip pretty quickly. I tend to
yes,
sometimes
yes.
press mine in. I'm probably getting it to soak too much.
Yeah, well, I mean, you can just, you're going to want to cook it for a little bit longer.
Okay.
So to make sure that all the eggs cooked out of there. So yeah,
Nice.
so just like that. So then if you want to take some, this is shredded mozzarella.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Is this,
so,
okay,
so it's
going
kind of
on?
like a sweet and savory. Yeah, so you
Yeah.
can just go ahead and top it right on there.
It makes it good for dinner then, too.
Yeah.
Cool. I've never put cheese on my French toast before.
Oh, this is just a new take on it.
Is that enough?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I will do
Pizza.
is exactly. So it's gonna start melting down there, and then what we can do is top it with some strawberries.
Right now?
Yeah.
It is like
It's
a
a very
strawberry
fast-
French toast pizza. I
Yeah.
just renamed your dish for you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Careful, yeah.
Don't worry,
So-
Steve. I won't
so-
burn myself. Executive producer's like, geez. Alright. There you go.
All right. And then it just takes.
So you want to get the strawberries a little bit heated up.
Right. Yeah. You
Okay.
and so yeah, everything will be nice. It's very fast. And then I like to top it with some mint.
That's mint. Okay, I was
Yeah.
wondering what that was. If
Just kinda tear
it was
this on
decor
there.
or what was
No,
going on.
It was
Okay.
actually perfect for it.
Yeah.
And then just drizzle with a little honey.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Oh boy. And then dig in. So what are all these?
Yeah.
Is this for your
So this is some new spices that I've started to put together and selling with the
cookbook?
So, yeah.
Trading
Just a little
dishes.
bit
Is
of
this
everything.
yours or did you trade this with somebody?
No, this is mine.
I'm looking for a fork.
So, oh yeah.
But you know what? You know what
Yeah,
I'm
no,
gonna
that's
do?
what everybody does. They just
Hey,
pick it
it's
right
dinner.
up,
It's
so.
the pizza.
Exactly.
That we just, yeah. Ooh, that's really good. That is really, really good. Wow.
Awesome.
That's a dessert too.
It is.
Such a treat. I mean, now have my French toast like that, by the way, forever and ever. All right.
Awesome.
Stephen's book again is Trading Dishes, and we'll have more information about it and him and this recipe on our website at katu.com. Thank you so much for joining us and ending the show with us, because that's all the time that we have. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. KT News at 4 starts right now. This is really, really good, by the way.
Here, there's probably a fork in the back in the drawer if you need one.